A circle, circle, round and bright, spinning fast, oh what a sight. Rolling here and rolling there, you can find it everywhere. Shapes are here, big and small, we can find them one and all. Look around and you will see shapes in everything. Like magic, go! A moon is square, square, standing tall. Four strong sides, it won't fall. Like a window, like a box, neat and steady, strong as rocks.
Sort of rectangle so long and wide, books and doors stand side by side. TV screens and tabletops, rectangle just never stops.
Look at shapes, what can you see? Mountains, moons, and hearts for free. Shapes are magic, shapes are fun. Everywhere and everyone. Triangle, sharp and neat, three-pointed and so sweet. Like a pizza slice we eat, or a tent where campers meet. All hearts are lovely, full of cheer, sharing kindness far and near. Draw a heart, give one too, let the love shine bright in you. Shapes are fun, shapes are great, find them now, don't be late. Round or tall, short or wide, shapes are always by your side.